Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, tender, succulent, delicious smothered chicken in a crock pot. These are most of the ingredients that you'll need. Of course, it's chicken, so you can use the spices that you prefer on your chicken, and but yeah, these are the ones that I used. So now I'm gonna saute down some onions, some peppers, some garlic, and some butter, because butter makes everything better. And you want to get them nice and caramelized the way I have them here, or even darker. It just makes the gravy better. Pretty much what I'm making here is the gravy that's going to go on top of the chicken in the slow cooker. So this is what we're doing. So now I'm going to add some flour down in here. The flour is the stabilizer, which is going to get it nice and thick and ready to go. A tip I have is don't make your gravy loosey-goosey, because the chicken will release its own juices, and so you want to make your gravy a little on the thick side. So that's what I'll be doing today. So now I'm adding some chicken broth to my mixture. I've added some of it just to get it nice and stirred in so I don't have any lumps. Okay, that's how you want to do it. And pretty much the hardest part of this dish is the gravy. And the gravy is not even hard. I mean, the sauce and the sauce is not even hard to make. And now I'm going to add the rest of my broth and let it simmer while we season this up. First of all, the garlic with the onions and the peppers, y'all already know, they go together like a marriage, okay? And they always turn out great. All ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Make sure you guys check that out. This recipe can also be used on your holiday table, especially for smaller families that are not making like the ham, the turkey, And so this will be great, easy to do, easy to make, and you're done. And it's cheap. Very cheap to make. And yeah, so you want to mix this up, get it nice and thick and flavored. Make sure you taste your sauce, because the sauce is the star of the show. Now I'm going to be using some onion chive cream cheese straight out of Walmart. Okay, great value. And it's going to give us this nice silky creaminess that's going to make your chicken just take it over the top, okay? Once I was done with this chicken, y'all, this is definitely going to be a repeat recipe, like even after the holidays. It will be on repeat because it's so simple. And, especially if you're a family woman or man and you don't have time to be in the kitchen for 100 hours, you throw it in the cooker and you go about your business, okay? So you want to mix this in nice and gently, and once it gets nice and thick like this, you're ready to go. Now this clip right here that I was going to take out is for the Karens that think I don't wash my chicken or my meat. I just feel like y'all don't need to see that. It's like, I do it, It's several videos. As a matter of fact, almost all my videos, you see me washing meat. But, it's the holiday season. I know my videos get picked up a lot, and I just, listen. So you want to season up your chicken with the same spices that I use inside of the sauce. On top of that, I'm going to add a bunch of thyme, and you want to mix this up. Honestly, if you don't even want to season this chicken, just put salt and pepper, because that sauce is just so good. But I season mine, okay? And no, I'm not searing my chicken. It's going straight down in there the way I put it in there, okay? If you want to sear your chicken, go ahead, sure. But y'all, look at this sauce. Look at this sauce. Ooh, seriously. This over some rice. Look at my mouth watering. This over some rice, some mashed potatoes, or some cheesy cauliflower, whatever you want. It's good. So now I'm going to cover this up, and I'm going to allow it to cook until it's nice and tender and falling off the bone. All right, so this is the delicious, amazing, tender, bubbly, delicious smothered chicken in your slow cooker. And y'all, this was just so good. Look how it's all falling off the bone. So, you have leftovers with this stuff, right? So the next day after we ate and I tried to go in that bowl to get, make a plate, that chicken fell straight apart, even when it was like solid cold. It was just so good, you guys. So I hope one of y'all, gave it a try, especially if you like easy, simple recipes that you could just set and forget. So I served it up with some Brussels sprouts and rice. Y'all know I love rice. I'm an islander. I eat rice almost every single day. But this is what it looks like, you guys. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and a share. And let me know what you think. If you make this recipe, tag me as well. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. And I will be uploading every single day for the rest of the month. So make sure y'all tune in. Bye.